Konnichiwa, Mina. This is the Anime Guy, where you, the viewer, come to me for good anime. The anime I'll be talking about today is called Wolf Children. Wolf Children is about a university student named Hana who falls in love with a guy who sneaks into her classes, and we later find out that he's a wolf man. Eventually, Hana falls pregnant, but the man dies. So it's up to Hana to raise the children on her own. I give this anime a 10 out of 10. I will be doing an afterthoughts for this movie, and I recommend this movie to everyone, even if you're not an anime fan. This movie was fantastic, and I would just like to say thank you to Funimation. Thank you for watching, and until next time,